You get a dirty kitchen here. Well, today I'm going to prepare a sort of traditional lamb dish for Easter, and for that we're going to need a big chunk of lamb. We've got a big chunk of lamb here. This is several kilos of lamb. We're going to use 1 red onion. We're going to use 4 big bowls of garlic, many cloves there. We've got some wild chives we collected the other day, beautiful fresh wild chives. Black pepper, ground black pepper, salt, of course, some oil, and some wild mushrooms that we collected and dried, and a little bit of sugar and some sweet paprika. Okay, let's get on with it, and I'll show you how I'm going to prepare it. I'm going to take some of these wild mushrooms, and we have to soak them in water. Oh, they smell fantastic. Just absolutely fantastic. This is a mixture of porcini and various different forms of porcini, boletus, and also there's a few other varieties in there, the black trumpet fungus as well too. And we're going to soak that in some hot water. So you're going to need a big knife, obviously, for a big job. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare the lamb a bit. Because this is such a big chunk of meat, we need to cook it slowly, but I'm going to help it cook slowly by putting some slits into it. And also we're going to shove in some garlic. So let's get on with that. So we're going to put a little bit of oil, because there's a lot of fat on this lamb. I'm going to put a bit of oil on the bottom first. Everything like that. And we're going to put some garlic in underneath. So we need to cut some into it, like this. I'm going to shove that garlic in there like that. Crushed black pepper. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. So now I'm going to add the wild mushrooms. Now what's going to happen is the fat from the lamb is going to mix with those mushrooms and make that just drip down into the bottom. It's going to be really great. We're going to pour this liquor, the mushroom liquor, into the bottom. And the key to cooking this is we're going to cover it now with some aluminium foil. And we're going to cook that very slow. The key now is to cook this very slow. So we've got 100 degrees on there because we want this thing to cook slowly. Check that out. Looking pretty good. So we've parboiled some potatoes, and we put potatoes around it now. It's been cooking for about 3 hours slow at about 120 degrees Celsius. I'm going to put it back in the oven now and turn it up just a little bit more to start to brown up the top surface there. Easter lamb. Look at that on the dirty kitchen. Let's have a look at this. Turn the oven off. We've got roast potatoes. And these are wild mushrooms on here and all sorts of herbs and stuff. We're going to put it on the table now. Let go, let go. Big up, huh? We're going to put this underneath of here, hold on. Look at that.